When we thought that the government will fight for us, it is doing nothing. And it is today that we are speaking for ourselves. We are speaking for that common mwananchi, for the boda person, for the mama mboga, telling ourselves that it is enough and it is now the time for us to stand up for ourselves and fight for our rights.
You said the Ministry of Agriculture should be allocated more resources so that we have continuous research to come up with food production that is sustainable, that can sustain this country. That is what will help, and you will find that most of these commodities will not go up, because once we are stable in food production, we will not have these issues. So the best is to allocate more funds to the ministry.